Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit the homepage in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to Setup. By clicking here on Setup, we will need just to go and find our Lightning app builder or just type app builder, and then we will need to start creating our own pages. So here in the user interface we will be able to create our pages, and then we can assign them and activate them to be the home page. So from here I'm just going to click on new. It will take us to the app builder, and then you will need to choose that you want to create a home page. So from here we click on next. You give it a name. I will name it my home, and after that I'm just going to click next, and you choose the layout for your page. So for example, I'm going to make it to be something like that, and after that I'm going to click done, and then you choose the components that you want to add for your page. So let's make the assistant. You can choose any components, depends on what you would like to have in your page, and from there I will have the tabs, for example. So let's just click on save, and after that you will need to activate it. So when you activate your page, you will need to assign it to your home page. So basically you need to activate it to make it visible to your user, and I'm just going to activate the page, and now we click on activate. So basically now we have our page that is activated, and now it can be assigned in different levels. So here I'm just going to assign it as an org by default, or you can assign it to a nap. So here I'm just going to do like that, and this is our page, and basically we need just to click on save, and let's just wait for the activation to finish. Let's remove, go and save, and we wait. Activation successful, and after that we need just to refresh. So from here we need just to find our page that we have created, and it should be, we need to uh, assign it to our home page. So basically we need to find it. Let's go again, all, and search for my home, and we need to create a layout for it. So basically you will need just either to edit this home to start use your own new home page, or you can create a new tab or a new tab for your home page and add it there. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.